How to delete profile in Superset. Now, if you go ahead and pull up Superset web version on via the application, account deletion or profile deletion is actually not available. So what you want to have to do is to go into the home dashboard of Superset and scroll all the way to the bottom part of this field. Now what you need here is just the domain or the email address on Superset. Now I have prepared myself for a format on how you get to coordinate or have a email form to send out a request on account deletion. So this is going to be the email address that you need to simply copy this and from sales change it into join. Now add subject such as superset account deletion, and you can also try to copy and paste this format here that you'll see on your screen. And then on these field right here, change this into the email address that you use to log in into your Superset account, and then send it via Gmail or any type of email address domain that you use. And that's it. That's how you delete profile and Superset.